All right, well, welcome to today's video. This is going to be a special day because we have a special door. Here's our opening, and we're just carrying in the materials right now. Look at this nice opening, and the door that's going in here is going to blow your minds. Stay with us. Got a little sneak peek. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
What? What do I see here? That's what we're doing today. This is going to be awesome. All right, guys, this is what we got so far. We got her stacked up, tracked up. See the head plates up there, how that works? We got 2-inch track. It's a little different from what I seen on the website, but nonetheless, it's all gonna work. Instead of cables, we got this strapping. Let's go look at it on the outside. Check that out. Check out that green. Doesn't that look good? Very pretty door. Kind of see what we're overlooking here. So yeah, that'd be super nice. You got your lake right there. You raise your door up. Outdoor kitchen. Looks cool. All right, everybody, check this out. We got it up into the magazines. Looks really good. This door is so smooth, guys. You can see right here, we're getting the wiring ready. A bunch of wires going in here. Yeah, we're getting ready to do that. Just do your research and you'll know where all that stuff goes. Yeah, here's the front. Looks pretty complicated back in there, don't it? Like I said, this door is smooth as can be when it's operating. Right now we're just using a drill to bring it down. See how it falls into place. Comes right down. Meets with that section. Like that. We're almost closed. And there we have it. So that head plate is what Clopay calls the magazine. This install was pretty easy, not too bad. There's our spring line. Yeah, those springs are pretty tough, pretty stout. But yeah, the straps, they replaced the cables. No cables, the drums are spools. You can see like that center coupler tied into the spool. It's fixed into it, so it doesn't do anything but just hold it in place. Very sleek. Wave of the future, if you ask me. There's like the trim it comes with. Got a lintel header up there, got a piece that some jam seal goes across. And then we got this aluminum piece that comes with it, screws on the inside, and then the rubber runs inside of this. Pretty slick. Check it out, guys. Kind of look up there. See how it's bringing the sections down. Stacking it up in the magazine. And there we go. And that is the VertiStack. Yeah guys, if you have any questions about this door, please contact Steve's Overhead Door out of Lafayette, Indiana. It's got a sectional door feel with the footprint of a rolling steel by Clopay. As you can see, got a lot of headroom up there. Perfect for this scenario. All right, everybody, we are back. When we were first here, Clopay forgot to send us the track covers. So as you can see, that's what we're doing right here. So inside the cover, you can see they welded like a, like a little flag post, it looks like. Right down there's one. And then you put these brackets, screw those to the jamb, and then you slide the cover over. Once you get it secured, it comes with set screws that you're gonna put through that little hole to fasten it to the posts. God, what a gorgeous door. Fits this scenario perfectly. Look outside, the winter landscape. All right, guys, and that's what she looks like. That just sets it off. Yeah, you can see these track covers. It conceals the rollers and the mechanism in there. It's got a little cutout for our sensors. Yeah, this door is not for everyone and not every scenario, but it sure does fit beautifully in this particular spot. So if you got any questions about this particular door, don't hesitate to comment, hit that like, and please subscribe.